my channel Easy Drawing for Kids. Let's start drawing. Now, I am going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visibility.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain.
Let's start coloring. Now, going to use the colors of rainbow. I am start with purple at the top. Then I use blue.
Girls be handy.
Then sky blue.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle
Green.
folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music
Yellow.
and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Orange. Red.